All right, this is the audio for Lesson 15 Learning Check. Use Desmos to help you complete the learning check. Number 1, true or false? Lines that are perpendicular have the same slope. True or false? Number 2, which pair of lines are perpendicular? Y equals 3x minus 5 and y equals 3x plus 4. Y equals 3x minus 5 and y equals 1/3 x minus 5. Y equals 3x minus 5 and y equals negative 1/3x minus 5. Y equals 3x minus 5 and y equals negative 3x minus 5. Number 3, what is the slope of a line through the points negative 5, 2 and 1, 4? 1/3, 3, negative 1/3, negative 3. Number 4, what is the equation of the line through negative 4, negative 2 and negative 2, 1? Y equals negative 3/2x plus 4. Y equals 3/2x minus 4. Y equals 3/2x plus 4. Y equals 2/3x plus 1. Number 5. What could be the equation of a line parallel to the line through the points negative 1, 4 and 1, negative 2? Hint, plot the points in Desmos. Y equals negative 3x minus 4. Y equals 3x minus 4. Y equals 1/3x minus 4. Y equals negative 1/3x minus 4. Number 6. Which line could be parallel to the line graphed below? Y equals 4x plus 5. Y equals 1/2 x plus 5. Y equals negative 2x plus 5. Y equals 2x plus 5. Number 7. Line M has a slope of 2/3. What could be the slope of a line perpendicular to line M? 2/3, 3/2, negative 3/2, negative 2/3. Number 8. What could be the equation of a line parallel to y equals 1/2x plus 3 through the point P for negative 3? Hint, graph the line and plot the point in Desmos. Y equals 1/2 x. Y equals 1/2 x minus 5. Y equals negative 2x minus 5. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 2.